Hello friends, I'm Joanna from Joanna Miranda Studio, and this is my video series, Art Bag, Time-Saving Tips and Tricks. There's something really compelling about the work of illustrators who draw freehand in ink, and to be honest, it's my preferred way to work as well. But if you're just starting out and you go straight to drawing in ink, you might find that the whole experience is a bit daunting, if not actually defeating. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how I got over that fear and how I settled upon using an intermediary tool that actually was like training wheels to help me figure out how to draw effectively in ink. So meet the black colored pencils. These are permanent colored pencils, and I will explain and demo why it's helpful to use black colored pencils on your way to learning how to draw freehand in ink. So here's the thing. When you're starting out, and by starting out I mean maybe in the first 2 or 3 or maybe 5 years of drawing, you'll probably want to go ahead and do your drawings with regular pencil. In this case I'm using Faber-Castell pencils. This is a number 3B, and maybe you'll practice drawing with pencil, and then you'll get a sense of maybe what you like, but along the way, the temptation is with pencil that you don't like something, and so you start erasing and you start fussing, and you don't like that, and pretty soon you've basically, quote unquote, fixed out the personality of your illustration. Now, rather than going cold turkey and going right into ink illustration, the beauty of using black colored pencils is that the color is actually permanent, so you can't erase. It's what you put down is going to stay there. But you can get, as you can see, you can get a very light to darker to even really dark gradation with the pencils. And of course it depends on what kind of black colored permanent pencils you're using. I have an assortment here. I've got, this one is just a Crayola. I don't know why I had that, but I have a black permanent Crayola colored pencil. I have Blackwing colored pencil, which is a little bit more rich. You can see the saturation. It's a little more creamy. Actually, I don't know if you can see that. I might have drawn that off the page. But it's a tiny bit softer and more capable of having a range of shading. I also have Prismacolor permanent black colored pencils. These are also seem like a nice creamy consistency. You can get really black and then down to a very fine shading. I got a box of these, the Prismacolors. They came in a box from Amazon. So basically that's the reason why it's a good idea to go from pencil to drawing with colored pencil. And so let's see, I'm going to just do a quick little colored pencil illustration to show you how you can use the black permanent colored pencils to help you get your balance, so to speak, the training wheels, until you can take them off and just draw freehand in ink. And that's a wrap on today's Art Bag Time-Saving Tips and Tricks video. I post these videos every Monday and Friday. If you've enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider giving it a paws up. And if you haven't already, you might want to subscribe to my channel and make sure that you toggle on the little bell so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching.